Huh. Would you step back just 1 foot? Thank you very much, dear. No, that's all right. This is most unusual that we're getting a late delivery like this, so I want to get it on film.
A late delivery?
Yeah, eastbound train. The equipment moved. They usually bring them out about 4 a.m.
Yeah, I've never seen this train coming before.
No, this is running late.
There's been times when this train is like sitting there.
Yes. Yeah, but they're waiting for this equipment move to come in from Jamaica now, so he's running late. And that'll hold us up on the 508 train. Unless they're going to use this equipment for the 508 train. We'll find out soon. This will either be ours or it'll be the 621 train. Okay. Thank you. No, it's a hobby. I do these videos and put them up on YouTube.
Oh, yeah?
So we'll label this one Long Island Railroad Train 2733 at Speonk on today's date.
You're not normally on this train.
No, not that often. I usually go in later. Okay, well, we're good today for 8 cars. Glad to hear that. No, I usually take this one like once a month. Wait right here. Make us walk up a few steps. Can't get any more convenient than that.